Hello, chemists. This is Mr. Levitt with a quick how-to video on the Beanium Lab since a lot of people are struggling. First of all, I added another attempt, so after watching this video, you can go back and try it again. What you need to do is go through each one and answer the questions. You're going to need some information from previous questions. There is this little slider down here at the bottom. Be sure and use that. The first one, really simple, is just how many different types of beans there are. No one should be getting that wrong. In this video, it shows us counting each different type of bean, and then we write those numbers down for you. You're going to plug those in right down here, and then all you need to do is add these three numbers together and then get the total. The next question is you're going to take the number of each individual type of atom. So if you go back over here, the individual numbers are right here in this picture. You're going to take, for example, brownium. You're going to take brownium, 29, and then divide it by the total number, which would be 29 plus 25 plus 275. So 29 minus all of those three numbers added together, and then that would be the answer right here. What's causing a lot of people problems is read the instructions right here where it says round to 2 decimal places and place a 0 in the decimal if the answer is less than 1. So, for example, for brownium, if it comes out to be 0.088, you're going to need to put 0.09 and make that your answer, because if you type in just 0.9, you're wrong. If you type in 0.088, you're going to be wrong. You need to submit it the way it's requested in here. So you're going to take the total number of atoms, so the numbers you wrote down in question 2 divided by the total number, that will get you abundance. And just enter it properly. Next, you take these weights and you need to enter them. Once again, read the instructions. It says round to 2 decimal places. There's one of them where it stops at 1 decimal place. That means you have to add a 0 at the end or it'll be wrong. Then you take, for question number 5, you're going to take the masses right here and then divide by the total number. So for example, brownium would be 9.66 grams divided by 29. That's the answer that's going to go right here. And once again, if it's less than 1, you're going to put a 0 and then round to 2 decimal places. That's the key. You really just have to do formatting. And then the last one is you're going to take the individual mass, which you got here in question 5, and multiply it by the abundance that you got in question 3, and then that will be your answer. So, and then lastly, you're going to add all those up and round to 2 decimal places and 0 if it's less than 1 in the ones place, and then that's your answer for 7. So you're adding up all the ones in question 6, and that'll equal question 7. And then these questions are just follow-ups. The beans obviously are isotopes. We picked some crazy answers. Don't pick those. Come on now. Y'all are better than that. So follow proper formatting and make sure you check your multiplication, and we'll be good to go.